starting this bulletin with some visuals coming in from Kolkata, where the protesters are confronting the police over their inaction and delay of justice for the family of Abhaya. This even as demands from the doctors for security and protection at workplaces continues to grow. The IMA yesterday as well had written to Prime Minister Modi raising 5 key demands, including the declaration of hospitals as safe places, installation of CCTV cameras. Now, these are the visuals from outside the Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata, where protesters are having a big confrontation with the police under Mamata Banerjee. To tell you viewers, the CBI is investigating the RG Kar Hospital today and also interrogating the former principal Sandeep Ghosh, who's being quizzed by the agency for the third day. In fact, a team of CFSL from Delhi also arrived in Kolkata this morning to conduct the psychological profiling tests of accused Sanjay Rai. We've already brought you reports of how Rai has previously been accused of many instances of violence. But for now, let's just go across to my colleague Kishalay, who's joining us live to give us more on the story. Kishalay, a very good afternoon to you. Talk to us about the visuals that we're now bringing our viewers from outside Salt Lake Stadium.
Yes, exactly. These visuals are live from Kolkata Salt Lake Stadium, where supporters of various football teams in Kolkata and West Bengal, Mohun Bagan, East Bengal, Mohammedan Sporting, all of them have gathered together and protesting against what happened with Abhaya. They are protesting against the atrocities on women and also how RG Kar was vandalized and no police action was taken. These are live visuals. We see a huge police force. In the right-hand side window, we see a huge police force where we can see the police is lathi charging the protesters. This is breaking news. Police is lathi charging on protesters who gathered in front of Salt Lake Stadium in order to protest and voice their protest against the Abhaya incident, the heinous murder and rape of Abhaya. These are live visuals coming in. Thousands of protesters gathered at Salt Lake Stadium. There was a derby match that was supposed to happen in the Salt Lake Stadium, but that match was cancelled because the security concern was too high. The supporters of both the opponent parties, Mohun Bagan and East Bengal, they decided to come together in a rare instance, come together, hold rally together and voice their protest for justice for Abhaya. But see what the police has done. See how the police lathi charged the peaceful protesters who gathered there. At one hand, we are showing full screen visuals of protesters. We want justice. That's what they're saying. Flags of these teams, Mohun Bagan and East Bengal, they have come here. I'll also request to show the police lathi charge visuals. Police lathi charge visuals are also coming in. We can also see BJP leaders. There's Kollan Chaube also there and other leaders also, and also supporters of various football teams are there. Police is lathi charging. That's what we are getting to know. Police is lathi charging on peaceful protesters, taking peaceful. We can see one woman protester being taken away after being lathi charged. She is injured. She is injured right now. Question that they are raising is, where was this police force on the day of vandalism? The goons vandalized the RG Kar Hospital. The police did nothing. The police did nothing, and see what the police is doing right now. See this overactive, this police force, police crackdown on the protesters. We are asking, people are asking, protesters are asking, where were these police officials, police constables, police whatever force when the vandalism took place? Where were these police when Abhaya was raped and murdered? Where were these police forces when Abhaya was raped and murdered, and later on it was there was an endeavor to show it as a suicide. Later on CBI had to take the whole charge. Where were these police force? That is what the people of West Bengal are asking. These are 3 windows we are showing, where we show the live visuals in the middle window. In the right hand side window we show live visuals of police force taking on the streets and cracking down on the protesters. In the left hand side window, left extreme, we are showing how a woman protester is being dragged away. These are live visuals from Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata. Again, I'll remind our viewers, there was a derby match between Mohun Bagan and East Bengal. These are very famous football clubs in India, in West Bengal. And they decided to not do this match because they wanted to protest against Abhaya incident. Abhaya incident happened and they decided to stop the derby match and protest. They are gathered in front of the stadium to protest peacefully with their flags and to protest against this heinous crime. But what happened was they were taken away by the police, some of them in the prison van, some of them were lathi charged, some of them were dragged. These are the live visuals. Well, Bidhannagar police held a press conference a while back, a few minutes back, stating that section 163 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita has been imposed outside Salt Lake Stadium, which bars all kind of association or gathering. Our question is, this particular Salt Lake Stadium, outside that particular stadium, there are various areas where these rallies were coming. These are main roads. But police crackdown happened there as well.
Right, Kishlan, this is even as
These are live visuals.
Abhaya has spoken out and he has clearly spelled out how there's an attempt
তাদের আবার পুলিশ কিন্তু আবার দূরে সরিয়ে দিচ্ছেন। যে জমায়েত হয়েছে সেই জমায়েতকে একটু দূরে সরিয়ে দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করছে পুলিশ।
Protesters who gathered in front of the Salt Lake Stadium. But the protesters are saying we want justice. This is for Abhaya. Justice for Abhaya, hashtag justice for Abhaya. This is our Republic's campaign as well, Republic Network's campaign as well. We are also campaigning for the justice of this lady doctor who was raped brutally and murdered. But what happens when you protest? This is what happens. Police lathi charges, drags you away through the roads, through the streets, and then takes you in the prison van. But they don't do the same with the goons who vandalize RG Kar Hospital. They don't do. So there is a difference between how police treats the protesters, peaceful protesters, and how police treats the goons who come to break the whole, who come to vandalize a hospital. These are live visuals, and also we are learning many of these rallies have been stopped at various parts, various ways towards the Salt Lake Stadium. But still now many more people, thousands of people are coming in. So these are live reports, live visuals from Kolkata Salt Lake Stadium. We want justice is the only slogan. We want justice is the only slogan that they are raising. And apart from that, also they have placards and they have flags. These are peaceful protesters. Now, a while back, Bidhannagar police held a press conference. In that press conference, they declared that they have special information about how these protesters would become violent. They said that they have information that there would be violent elements within the protesters. Therefore, they declare suddenly that there will be section 163 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita around the Salt Lake Stadium. Well and good. Around the Salt Lake Stadium, they have deployed a huge number of policemen. But what about the roads that are leading to a Salt Lake Stadium? They are not even letting these rallies pass by. They are stopping the rallies. They are taking away protesters in their prison vans. We can see Kolkata police and Bidhannagar police charging with lathis, sticks. Only one slogan. A It's very clear what they want, what these protesters want. These are supporters of Mohun Bagan and East Bengal, two football clubs, but they have come together today. They are not in the opposite galleries. This is one gallery, the People's Gallery, who voice their opinion and voice their protest together in order to demand for justice for Abhaya. At one hand, when CBI continues to investigate, on the other hand, Kolkata police lodges their men, their personnel to lathi charge on the protesters, to run towards the protesters and chase.